Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So 15th of December and yay, I finished the glasses off. In the end I didn't get my glue gun out, partly because I'm not quite sure where it is. And the other hat, I thought I'd give it a go with the premium glue. This is the Craft Buddy craft glue that they do. I think it's like PVA glue. As you know, I've been using it for my other projects. So I thought I would have a go at sticking these onto here. And it has stuck quite well, actually. I think you can see these glasses have stuck pretty well. So I put a lot of glue, let it go a little bit tacky, then put a little bit onto the I was going to say foam then, felt then, and then I just put something really heavy on each side just to hold it down, and yeah, it's worked. So as I say, they are very, very small. I've stuck the little eyes on with some PVA glue, and then I've used some self-adhesive gems rather than the gems that came with it. So I've used the felt stars, and then I've put some little squares and triangles at the bottom. So yeah, just used up some gems. I did just put the one big gem on like they had it with the felt, but I think that looks really good, really sparkly. In hindsight, I wish I'd coloured in his little arms in brown. There's glue on it now, so I don't think it might cover, but I might give it a go, you never know. But yeah, other than that, I think it's come out really well. And yeah, I think these were the berries actually that were supposed to go on the hat, but I didn't. Well, again, yellow, I suppose you could have coloured them red if you got a alcohol marker or something. But yeah, quite pleased. And I have taken a photograph of Millie wearing them. She's not with me today, she's escaped. I think she heard me saying in the last video that I might try them on her, so I will insert a photograph of Millie wearing said glasses, because she's about the only one in this house that they fit. They're very small. Okay, so let's have a look at number 15 and see what we've got today. Right, so, oh look, and I've just opened it up and I've just spotted 15 straight away. How good is that? So where's the end? There's the end. So let's get into this. Ooh, I have no nails left now. They are all squished. Oh, what's this? Oh. Okay. So we have, I suppose it's like a doll body is all I can describe it as, a wooden one. Yeah, just get into this if I can get into the bag. Da 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 da. Lift music while I faff about. Okay, so it's a little like, well, I suppose you could use it as anything. I mean, you could make it into a snowman, because then it wouldn't need like arms and legs or anything. But again, it's a little bit to just get on its own. What have we had? I mean, we've had the paints. I suppose we've had, yeah, you could maybe put some of the quilling papers around it. We did get extra boggly eyes, so you've got some boggly eyes that you can put on it to make it into something. We've got buttons, we've got paints. Yeah, so unless we get any other materials, this is a little bit like the little wooden piece that we got. Sorry, I'm just rummaging at the side of me. I suppose you could stand it on the wooden thing. Oh yeah, that would be quite good. So you could paint it all white. Just wondering whether you would need an undercoat or not. Possibly you would maybe need to put a little bit of gesso or something on it as an undercoat, just to stop it from sinking in quite so much, particularly on the wood. Or you could, again, cover it in buttons if you wanted to. Then you can use this as like a scarf. Okay, we did have some felt bits left over, I suppose, that we could use. You could put the bell on it, so you could put that on it and make it into like a table centre. So a bit little, isn't it, for that? Okay, yeah, I mean, not bad. I suppose 50 pence. Yeah, these things are quite expensive. I mean, you could go the whole hog. I did have a doll that was made with buttons, and you threaded them all together, sort of stacked them up and threaded them together. Do you know, you'd think after all the times I've opened this button packet that I'd be okay at doing it. But yes, so what you would do is just thread your buttons and stack them. So, or you could do them that way if you're wanting to make it a bit chunkier. And so you end up, I don't know whether you remember, you used to make dolls similar to this years ago. So I don't think I've still got mine now, otherwise I'd show you it. But yeah, I did make a little doll, and you just thread them all together and then tie them on, and then they become like arms and legs. You've got all buttons tied together, and then it makes it like the arms movable, and you just get a little bit of extra play with it. Or fidget, if you like your fidget toys. I suppose it's similar to a fidget toy. So a few different bits and pieces that you can do with that one, but not wildly exciting on its own. As I say, I think at 4 years old it's not brilliant. You would need probably to be, I don't know, maybe 8, 9 maybe, for thinking up your ideas to do with this. I mean, they do give you instructions. I've just looked on the instructions, and that's the one that they've done. So they've made it into like a little choir boy, choir master, king, whatever. But that is going to take some doing, to be fair. That is very, very intricate and very, very well painted on a little teeny tiny thing. So yeah, that's what they've suggested doing with it. So it just gives you an idea. Oh well, yeah, just something a little bit different, I suppose. Okay, well, happy 15th of December, and I will see you in the next one. If you've enjoyed looking at this with me, thumbs up as always is much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press the subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now. Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So happy 16th of December. Goodness me, it is absolutely freezing. My central heating keeps going off, and I keep having to run out with jugs of water because my condenser's still going. But never mind. I am joined today by the lovely Millie Moo, who is just snuggled up in her little basket there. You're going to say hello, Millie? No. No. I traumatised her yesterday by putting some glasses on her from the I think it was the 14th we got the trick glasses, not trick glasses, comedy glasses, and yeah, she's not happy. Plus yeah, she's very cold. So she's following me around like a little lost soul at the minute. Anyway, so 24 days of Christmas crafting, ages 4+. Let's have a look in this advent and see what we got today. So we are looking for the 16th. Where is the 16th? 24 is only a little tiny one. You'd think that'd be a real big one, wouldn't you? You would hope that would be a big one. Oh, 16's down here in this corner. So let me have a look. Oops. I think I'm on a losing battle trying to keep this picture because I think it's just not quite working. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. Oh, these are nice colours. Right, so let's see what we've got. So we have 2 sets of pipe cleaners, one in green and one in red. And yeah, very nice. Okay, let's take these out. Nice length, I would think. Oh, they're lovely and soft. Oh, they're like chenille. Oh, they are so soft. Oh, very, very nice. I mean, they've got wires in the middle, so don't cuddle them too much. But yeah, very nice. Ooh, and the green ones. Oh yeah, they are really nice. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 green ones. So have we got 10 red ones? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 red ones. Right, there is so much you can do with these. I did make a mouse once with pipe cleaners, but I'm not quite sure whether it'd look right in red and green. I'm not quite sure. I think it's going to be one of those things that you would probably have to Google or go on YouTube and have a look and see what you can make with them. I suppose the first thing you're going to look at is maybe either plaiting them or making them into a wreath. You can twist them together and just loosely make them into a wreath. Wreath? So just twist these up. Oh, it is cold. And then just, oh, it needs twisting a bit more there. That's sort of the first thing I can think of when I take it out of the packet. I mean, there are so many things that you can do with pipe cleaners. You just give it a good twist. I mean, if you want to make it thicker, you can make it a lot thicker. So you can just then get your nice circle there and just give it a little bit of a tweak at the bottom. And oops. Okay. I mean, you could even put it into like little bows. Oops. Maybe leave a bit longer. Oh, that's not very good, Liz, but you get the general idea. I'm just messing. All right, yeah, but oh, these are really soft. They're very, very nice. So yeah, you could twist that around there a bit and give that one a twist around there. And then if you've got any little bells or little bits of holly or anything like that. I mean, we got our little man yesterday. You could wrap him in it. God, that would be a big wreath, wouldn't it? You actually could stand him in the middle, look. You could put a little snowman or a highly painted little man that they did yesterday. What else did we get? Do you know, I'm getting such a collection on my desk now. Little Santa, look. You can put it around Santa's neck and he's got a wreath around his neck there, look. So yeah, I mean, they are useful. They're a great crafting staple, really. I suppose giving you buttons and stamp pads and all things like that. They are all staples. I think if you sort of went out and bought one of those big craft packs that they call a Christmas craft pack, it would have all these sort of things in it. Possibly not the crafty kits to make like the glasses, maybe the felt things, you never know, they do sometimes have a felt thing with them, but yeah, they tend to have like buttons and you have felt shapes and you have pipe cleaners. Does anybody still smoke pipes? I don't think I've seen anybody smoke a pipe for years. And now our next door neighbour used to, and he always had a pipe hanging out of the side of his mouth. It's like having a snowman living next door, you know, with a pipe hanging out of his mouth. He didn't wear a big hat though. But yeah, he smoked pipe, so he used pipe cleaners. But I would think the majority of pipe cleaners now are actually made for crafting, not for actually cleaning pipes out. But you never know, I could be wrong. I mean, I say, just because I've not seen anybody, don't mean to say that people don't still smoke pipes. We used to have a really posh pipe shop in Hull, and it had, some of them were really expensive and elaborate pipes. Really, really nice. I don't know whether that's still there. I'll have to try and remember and have a look next time I go and see what's there. You could plait them. So if you make like a big square or a little square, so you like weave them in and out. Once you get it going, it's easier to do, but starting off can be quite difficult doing this. So let's just put one there, and then that one wants to go underneath and on top. It's probably better off doing it in more than 3, but anyway, I'll just do it as a 3 for now. Oops. And then that one will go underneath and over and under. Okay, I do like messing. This is what I like doing with crafting. I think this is why I tend to change out stuff on my diamond paintings, because I'm always messing about doing stuff. So that's over, so that wants to be under. Really need more. So you're getting like a little mat, as it were, going along plaiting them all up. Oh, I'm just going to have to do another couple now because I'm, then that wants to go over the top. So that one wants to go under there. Oh, you could actually make quite a nice little fuzzy background picture or mat or something with these. Just threading them all through, keeping them straight. Okay. Now let's just do another one. Oh look, I'm going to get carried away now. So that one wants to go under there. Oops. Under there and under there. The very most rudimentary of weaving. I think eventually we will get a pattern. So it wants to be over that one and under that one and over that one. Just seems such a waste to not have something. Oh, I've got that. Oh, does that one need to go under? I've gone wrong there, haven't I? That one needs to go under there. That's better. I was wondering why I wasn't getting quite the check effect I was expecting. That's a little bit better. Just keep them together. Okay. Actually, for children, this is a really good way of doing like weaving. Just watch them with obviously the sharp ends, because the ends of these pipe cleaners are quite sharp. But other than that, it's quite a good way if they do want to get into weaving, and it's a bit more robust than using paper. And I've done, when I had the kids' school club, we used to do paper weaving, and the amount of times they used to just snap it because they were so determined to get it right and straight, and they'd give it a really good tug and the whole thing would just fall apart because it was yeah. This isn't the straightest in the world, I have to say. So we want to be over that one, under that one, over that one, under that one. So that one wants to be under that one. Over, under, over, under. Not brilliant, but I think you get the general idea. Obviously you'd need a lot more if you were wanting to do the whole thing, but yeah, it's going together quite nicely. Okay, well, it's something to do, and then when you're fed up with it, you can just, because they're so soft and silky, you can just pull them out and do them again. So yeah, quite not bad, I suppose. Yeah, 50p. I would definitely pay 50p for 10 nice. I think they call them chenille pipe cleaners, and yeah, so just a couple of ideas and just a bit of fun. So happy 16th of December. If you've enjoyed looking at this with me, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the all notifications bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up, so you won't miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.